Students of class 10th. Student, today we are going to understand about unit 2nd, section 1 and 2. The children, in this section, as a unit digital presentation intermediate. So before understand about this unit, first of all we introduce with this chapter. As we know, here we are going to understand about the Microsoft PowerPoint, and this is the presentation software. So earlier presentations were given with the help of handwritten notes, blackboards, and prompt cards. The presenter had to speak out every idea clearly to convey its meaning the audience. Obviously, this is used to be a very tiring and time consuming process. The children, as earlier, people used to deliver their presentations without taking any ad. I mean, that could be as a model or any picture, but that was not very effective. But today we can take the help of the computer to present or to deliver our information with great effect, with the great interest. So here, children, as we find here, uh, today, the task of giving presentations much easier with the development of the presentation software such as Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org, Impress, Lotus Freelance. These are some types of the software by which we can use for creating the presentations. Presentations, as the name suggests, refers to the way of presenting informations to a group of people. It is a sequential collection of slides in which each slide displays some information in the form of text or graphics. You can present almost any kind of information by means of presentation, such as explaining a new concept to the employees of company, presenting an idea to your clients, or teaching students in a class. The children, as we use this software for various purposes. About graphics software called MS PowerPoint, as the version given also with that, you can use any version of MS PowerPoint like 2003, 2007, 2010, 2016, or even 13. Whatever you have the software version of this application. So, children, as we are defining the presentations, that is a graphics software. Presentation as a software is a special type of software that helps you create attractive, eye catching, and professional looking visual aids for users, such as computer images, paper printouts, and photographic transparencies. So these visual aids help you communicate your ideas, messages, and other information in an easy and effective manner. So children, today many graphics software are available in the market, such as CorelDRAW, Micromedia, Director, PowerPoint, and OpenOffice.org Impress. So as I started earlier in this chapter, our focus is on the Microsoft PowerPoint. So in the Impress, you can create the present. Children, in this application software, I mean MS PowerPoint, you can create presentation in two ways, using the empty presentation options or from the template options. To create a presentation, I mean blank presentation, you can use the empty presentation option, whereas to create a presentations through built-in Impress templates, you can use the from the template option. You can also create various presentational materials in the Impress, such as handouts, overheads, charts, slides, and graphics, and so on. The children, first, as given in your unit related to the as a inserting the movie clip and inserting the audio clip. The children, first we learn about the section 1 and 2, and after that we will understand and learn many things step by step. Children, Microsoft PowerPoint as used to create slideshows and presentation, as I told you earlier about it. And if you want to address a large audience by connecting it to the projector, you can enhance the appearing of your presentations by inserting video clips, special effects, animations, etc. into in your presentation. The video format that work with the PowerPoint include like .avi, .mpg, and .mpeg. Like a QuickTime, that is a .mob, as a real video also I mean .ram or .rv. So can not be inserted directly into the PowerPoint, but you will need to be converted or the hyperlink. Additionally, PowerPoint supports the HD formats, which include .mov and .mp4 videos with high resolutions encoding with that. So children, first you will learn about here the inserting a movie clip, and then after you will understand about the second as a audio clip. Children, as you know, without the audio, presentation is no use. It is no more attractive and interactive. So here, to to insert the audio, I mean audio file here, and could be some background music or some recording. So you can insert audio files with the format .wav, .mp3, .wma, .midi, .aiff, and .au in PowerPoint with real audio files. So student, how can we add these files in our presentations? To look this video as it is given in the practical form, you can understand in a proper way, and you can do the practical after looking that. The student, let have this video. The student, here we have a slide to insert the audio. If you, as you want to insert, click on insert tab, and here we find the videos and audio 2 tab. Here click on the audio from file. If you have stored that file in your computer, then we will select the source or drive where we have a capture. Now select that audio. As you click, automatically that audio icon or speaker icon will be appeared in your screen, in your slide, and now you can play here by this button, play the button, and this speaker as showing your video, I mean audio. You can see here like a playback. You can change some in the audio like a looping. If you want to play again and again until on of the slide, you can select the playback tab and select here loop options as a given here, and you can select the button, means you want to play the automatically, or you want to click on by click, or you want to play across slides, means in all presentation that audio will play it to here. So this we can select there, the automatically as you press F5 or you will start your slide, automatically that will be played here. So you can see here as the speaker showing here the audio. And now you want to trim. Okay student, as a volume you can set here first low, or you can high, or you can keep mute here. So for trimming, here is a given the option for the click on the trim audio, and you can adjust your audio settings as from starting or from ending. So which part you want to keep or which you want to cut, you can slide from the slider here from the left and right hand side. Which part you want to play only, so we can set according to that and click on the play and OK button. So this way student we can play here. So now as a play, as a slide here, so as you click, you can as a play by pressing the F5 and your sound will start automatically. So student, this way here we can play the audio and trim the audio. Now next we will see here how to play the video and trim the video. Student, for inserting the video, as it is the same process to insert the pictures, as click on here the insert tab, as you know, click on the insert tab, and when you click in the insert tab we find here the audio and video, two here icons. As for the video, click on the video and you can select your video by or by PC. You click on the PC and now select the source where you have kept, select that file and click on insert button. As you click, automatically your video will be inserted in the slide like as images. You can resize your video image, and you can drag and drop here. Yes, like this way you can drag and drop, and you can play here the video like this, playing this icon as for the playing. So student, as we can set the images, I mean pictures here, I mean video. So as you want to set the part of the video, you can as a trim. So like here as a start on the click, as like the audio we can set it same like in the video also. So for here the setting the trim video, which part you want to keep, which part you want to show to the audience, we can select by the slider. As here the trim video is given, and now same as a like here the audio, we can set the part from the left hand side, which part you want to keep for your presentation. To set this video and now play, to what part we cut and what part we selected for the presentation, that video, that part will be played. And now here we can set some part here as a looping here, as a add the bookmarks, means when you click, so you can jump to your desired part of the video. So like as a bookmark here, as a set this part of the bookmark, click on add bookmark and now set the timeline in the given the video slider. So as you can set the part of the timing in the timeline of the video. So this way while during the while showing the presentation we can set the part. And now we can select here automatically or on click. It is depend on you by which you want to show, by click and play full screen. Keep the playing until end of the slide, so we can select here loop until it stopped. And now you want to format your as a picture, so you can take same like as a images, as you format the images here. There are many types of the image patterns, as like our picture, so we can set the according to that as a poster framing. Poster framing, it gives the frame around the side of your picture, or about means around the side of your video as a select that as a current here, as a applied here poster frame, and that will look attractive and it will be a presentable video. So now we can see here as a press pipe, or it is a now screen. So now you can see here this way we can show our